Auntie, happy birthday from Texas.
God bless. We love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Lydia.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Auntie, we wish you all the best. We love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday, Lola. Birthday, Lola. Greetings from Canada. Come again, Auntie. Hope to see you again, Lola. Stay healthy, Auntie, so that you can come again and visit us here in Canada. We love you very much. We love you. And thank you for this. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Minom ka ng gamot mo para hindi magkasakit. We love you.
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Lola Lydia.
Montreal.
Yes.
Yes. Wish you good health and Happy New Year too.
And Happy New Year too.
We love you.
We love
And
you.
We love you. What? Love you.
Love you.
Aaron.
Hi to everybody there.
Hi to everybody there.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Lola Lydia.
Happy
birthday, Lola Lydia. Stay young and beautiful as you are.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola Lydia. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Lola Lydia. Thank you for the visit here in Toronto. May you have many more birthdays to come, and we hope to see you again soon.
We love
We love
you,
you, Lola Lydia.
Lola Lydia.